Hi, today I'm going to speak about something that I normally don't, and that is my interest in natural medicine. But yesterday, my girlfriend told me that her doctor had asked her to eat medicine for her high blood pressure. And she said she did not want to do it. So I asked her, why doesn't she try one of the best herbs for high blood pressure? And that is coriander, known as cilantro in the States. Coriander, this is the plant, is very, very inexpensive. And it's actually very, very effective. The recipe that I use is given below. And what you do is you make a paste with nuts and then you drink it like this. I do it with oat drink, and you drink it for about best twice a day for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it will lower your blood pressure because it does clean the calcium from your blood arteries. I recently had a tooth extraction, so I am also using it to clean my own blood system. And I suggest that now that the corona is over, that you probably try it. So the recipe is given below, and make a paste that looks like this. And then, because you need to, it's best that you make it for about 2 weeks. So I suggest that you freeze it like I do, this way. So anyway, have fun with it. Enjoy it. It's a really, really nice drink. So here you are. Cheers. Have fun with the drink. Okay?